Okay, number 16, it's pretty busy. And I'm going to write it down for you, though, the way I do it on a piece of paper. Again, I want to point out at the end of this thing, hopefully we'll be staring at this when we get there, all right? Now, the work I do on a piece of paper might look different than my types at work, but let's write this down. So I see 4A minus a really long group. And let's write this down. So it's going to be A minus another really long group. Let me write down long, whoops, I didn't mean to do that. Go back to my problem. We're right over here, right? Let's see. Minus 7A. And I'm kind of looking at it, and what do I see? I see another grouping symbol, and 8A minus 5A is 3A, but I got to subtract it. So that's minus 3A. And remember that bar on top is a grouping symbol, so it's actually minus 3. And minus a minus 3 is going to be, I'm sorry, minus a 3 is minus 3. Let's do the next one. It's more difficult. So what do I see? Minus 6A, minus 2A, minus 8A, but I'm subtracting it, so it's plus 8A. And again, remember that bar. So minus a minus 9 is plus 9, and minus that would be minus 9. All right, let me keep going. It's tough. It is tough. 4A minus A, and I got to do what's inside that grouping symbol now, and I'm looking at it, and let's see, minus 7, minus 10, minus 2, right? But I'm subtracting it, so it's plus 2A. And then what do I see? I see minus 3, minus 9 is minus 12, but I'm subtracting that plus 12. All right, we go over here, and I'm going to do it. It's 4A minus, I'm going to do this in another group. What do you get? 3A plus 12. And what do you get over here? 4A minus 3A minus 12 equals A minus 12. I want to point out, this does happen. And what do? I notice that my answer here and my answer here is not matching. And this is going to happen to you. Now, someone says, oh, I see your error. I know what your error is. I got to be honest with you. When I make an error, I say to myself, my God, I must have done something really stupid. So what I want to do is I want to check it. I'm going to erase all this work now, and I want to go a little bit more carefully through the problem. And let's write this down. So 4A minus, now, by the way, there could be an error in the key as well, but I'm not looking at that. I'm looking at my work now, and you should be doing that too. So I'm going to write this down, A minus, I'm going to use, ooh, I see my error. And let's write this over here. And what do I see? I see, let's put this down now. And I just discovered my error. I didn't see the matching of the symbols. Minus 7A, and I'm going to, let me point out what I'm doing over here. I'm doing this group over here now. And I want to do that. It's not easy, all right? It's not easy. All right, let me just get my pen back. So, you know, minus 8 minus 5, I'm sorry, 8 minus 5 is 3. And, you know, I'm just going left to right, by the way. So this is going to be minus 7A and then minus 3A. All right? And then what do I get? And I got to be really careful here. Inside the group, in that yellow part over there, it's actually minus 3, and minus a minus 3 is plus 3. And I'm going to do the next guy. All right? And someone says, what's the next guy? Whoops, sorry about that. This is the next guy over here. And I got to do it. Right? So I got to do that. And what's that going to give me? Well, I want to do what's on the inside. What do you get? Minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. Minus a minus 8 is plus 8. A. And let's see, minus a minus 9 is plus 9, but then it's going to be minus 9. Yeah, this is tough. Let me write this down. 4A minus, I want to do what's inside that big, long grouping symbol. And the way I'm going to do that, I'm going to just kind of do what's inside the squiggly brace there. Minus 7, minus 10, let's see, minus 10, minus 2, and that's going to be what? Minus 2 is plus 2, plus A is 3A. That looks pretty good. And what do you get over here? 3 minus 9 is minus 6, and minus a minus 6 is plus 6. All right, let's keep going. And what do you get over here? Well, doing this, 4A minus 3A is 1A minus 6 now. Am I getting the answer? Yeah. So I feel pretty good about that. Again, these things can be tricky. They can also make you dizzy with the matching. And it's always a problem. For those students that do computer science, you know that sometimes matching parentheses can be quite difficult. And particularly in computer science, all the parentheses look the same for the most part. All right, let's go on. All right, let's go on. So let me stop this.